Hey there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to capture UTM parameters in ClickFunnels so that you can track which campaigns and ads are generating your leads. Let's jump in. Attributor is a small bit of code that you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in a cookie. Then when they complete a form on your website, it writes the data into the hidden fields on the form. And finally, when the form is submitted, this data is captured and can be sent to your CRM and various other tools. There are a number of benefits to using Attributor. Firstly, Attributor passes through data on visitors from all channels, including organic search, organic social, etc. So you'll know where all your leads are coming from, not just those from your paid ad campaigns. Secondly, Attributor remembers the data as visitors browse around your site. So no matter what page they complete the form on, the UTM parameters will always be captured. Thirdly, Attributor cleans the data as well. So even if some of your ads were tagged with UTM source equals Google and others were tagged with UTM source equals AdWords, Attributor would assign them to the paid search channel regardless. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. You'll need to copy the code from your account, then go to the funnel you want Attributor to work with, select the Show Code option from the menu, and paste it into the header code box. Now go to the form you want Attributor to work with and drag and drop 6 input fields into your form. Once added, open them up, change the input type to custom type, and give them a name. You can see the exact names and values you need to enter in the help article on the Attributor website. Finally, grab the additional code snippet from the Attributor help doc and paste it into the code section of the page. This will hide the fields and tell Attributor to write the UTM parameters into them. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your page, Attributor will write information on where they came from into these hidden fields and it will be captured by ClickFunnels. You can then include this information in your lead notification emails, store it in a spreadsheet, send it to your CRM, whatever you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.